are feeling weighed down and sluggish, it may be time for my Secret Detox Drink, which can help cleanse your body and make you feel rejuvenated. For many years, I have added detox drink to my health regimen because as toxins level my body, I feel clear-headed and energized. Plus, recipes like this one don't require a blender or juicer, so they are simple and easily accessible. Today's video will discuss Secret Detox Drink Recipe. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Why drink the Secret Detox Drink? Unfortunately, it's nearly impossible to avoid everyday chemicals that threaten your health, especially when they are hidden in our clothing, furniture, soaps, and shampoos. On top of that, we are constantly exposed to environmental pollutants and dangerous chemicals in our foods like heavy metals, pesticides, and preservatives. In order to avoid toxins overload that will leave you feeling fatigued, moody, bloated, and edgy, it's a great idea to use this drink to help cleanse and purify your body. How to make the Secret Detox Drink? This is a simple beverage recipe that takes only minutes to prepare and includes key ingredients for natural detoxification, including lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, ginger, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. Ingredients: 16 ounces of warm or hot water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, half teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 dash cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon raw local honey. Instructions: warm the water, mix all ingredients together. Best serve warm but drink at desired temperature. For more intense detoxifications, I recommend drinking this detox drink 3 times daily about 20 minutes before meals for 2 weeks to flush out toxins. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to cleanse your body and boost your energy, have this drink once a day before breakfast or lunch. Are you going to try this recipe? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.